Once upon a time when I was running for president, I had a plan to beat this virus. But as soon as I became president, son of a bitch, I forgot what that plan was. I promise all of you that Trump will be impeached. Yeah, Trump needs to be stopped, or he's gonna continue to incite erections. Erections? Did someone say erection? Get back in the house, Bill! Shut up, Hillary! Hey, man, come on now. This ain't my fault, you know what I mean? It's Trump's fault. So, I'm gonna erase 4 years of Trump in a matter of 4 days. Hey, somebody give me my crayons. I got some signing to do. Now, wait a minute. I can't remember if I said I was gonna end fracking or ban fracking. Well, it don't matter. Whatever's in front of me, I'm signing it. Trump needs to be impeached. He has to be stopped. I don't care how much it costs. Yeah, life is hard enough without boneheads like Trump. I don't care how much of the taxpayers' money I have to spend. Trump will be impeached. Yeah, it's gonna be hard, but we need to erect the articles of impeachment. There's almost 11 million Americans out there that are out of work right now because of Trump. So, I came up with a brilliant idea. I'm going to grant citizenship to 11 million illegal immigrants, and instead of 11 million Americans out of work, there's going to be 22 million Americans out of work, and that's science. Dad, you're out of tinfoil. Mom, bring me some of those cookies. Hey, what's this 25th Amendment? I don't even know what this is. Just sign it, Joe. All right.
Joe, tell us about Syria.
Hey, come on, man.
Joe, do you have a plan for the virus?
Hey, come on, man.
Why did you raise the cost of insulin?
Hey, come on, man. Mom, Dad, cookies, tinfoil. I never know what they're doing in there. Hey, Joe, how come I never get to say anything? Hey, I'm gonna draw a picture of a clown, I used to be scared of clowns and corn pop, but I ain't scared no more. I'm just standing here doing nothing, Joe. Yeah, I like to color inside the lines because I'm a big boy. Yeah, I can't stand all day, Joe. I have bad knees. Wait, what?
Is the economic crisis getting worse?
Well, sure as hell ain't getting no better.
Joe, did you ban fracking?
No, I just ended the permits.
Joe, did you cancel the Keystone Pipeline?
No, I just increased the unemployment rate.
Hey, Joe, did you invade Syria?
No, I just reassigned the military there.
Hey, Joe, did you raise the price of insulin?
Wait, what? No, I just made it more expensive. 80 million people wanted me to.
Joe, what's your plan for the virus?
I got a plan, but I'm not gonna tell anybody until I'm president.
But you are president, Joe.
Hey, come on, man.